ने आज हम देखिबा ए टाइगर इन दी हाउस रो शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन हैला हम इंग्लिश रो आगु का हमर एस1 एग्जाम आसिया को जाउची तेनु जेते हम शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करिबा एग्जाम रे हमर सेते भलो हबो तले एक नंबर क्वेश्चन तिमोथी वाज ए डैश पिला माने तिमोथी वाज ए टाइगर दुई नंबर हु नेम्ड द टाइगर कप तिमोथी पिला माने ए क्वेश्चन बहुत थर एग्जाम रे आसी सालानी तमे माने मध्य यार उत्तर जानथो मते कमेंट रे कह यार उत्तर कोन तीन नंबर क्वेश्चन Where was the Terai jungle? Terai jungle near Dehera. 4 number. Bond's grandfather was requested to accompany the hunting party since he dash. Since he knew the forest of Shivalik better. Option D होची correct answer. 5 number question. How many large tents did the hunting party have? Large tents है 7. 6 number. How many elephants were there in the hunting party रे एलिफेंट थिले 15 ऑप्शन बी होची करेक्ट आंसर देन 7 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा हाउ मेनी एलिफेंट्स वर देयर फॉर द शिकारीज पई थिले 4 8 नंबर द टाइगर कब वाज हाइडिंग डैश द टाइगर कब वाज हाइडिंग अमंग द रूट ऑफ बानियन ट्री हला बानियन ट्री तळे लुचि थिला रूट तळे 9 नंबर एट फर्स्ट तिमोथी वाज ब्रॉट अप एंटायरली ऑन डैश एंटायरली ऑन मिल्क 10 नंबर Where did Timothy sleep at night? Timothy sleep at night in grandfather's bedroom. Option B होची correct answer. 11 नंबर क्वेश्चन Who was Mahmud? Mahmud के? Mahmud होची तांको cook. Option C होची correct answer. 12 नंबर क्वेश्चन देची Timothy's companion Toto was a dash. Toto was a monkey. Option B होची correct answer. 13 नंबर क्वेश्चन At first Timothy appeared to be quite afraid of dash. କାହାକୁ ପ୍ରଥମେ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଭୟ କରୁଥିଲା ସେଲା ପପି କି 14 नंबर व्हाट वाज Timothy's favorite place? Timothy's favorite place was a drawing room. Option C होची correct answer. Next 15 number question. Timothy scrubbed his face with his paws like a dash, like a cat. 16 number where did Timothy sleep in the night? रात्रि से केउंठरे सोउतला इन cook's quarter. Option B होची correct answer. Then 17 number question. Mongrel is a kind of dash which is a mixture of different breeds. Mongrel is a kind of dog. 18 number what change came over Timothy when he was 6 months old? ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ 6 ମାସର ହେଇଗଲା ସେତେବେଳେ ତିମୋଥୀର କ'ଣ ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନ ଘଟିଲା less friendly ହେଲା ବହୁତ less friendly ହେଇଗଲା option B ହେଉଛି correct answer. Then 19 number question. Who crawled on Timothy's back and rested there? ହେଲା the mongrel puppy. Option D होची correct answer. 20 number question. At times Timothy pretended to bite the writer's dash to bite the writer's ankles. Option D होची correct answer. 21 number question. Timothy had a dash habits. Timothy has clean habit. Option C correct answer. 22 number. Grandfather thought that Timothy would one day kill the cook because Timothy was a dash because Timothy was grew steadily less friendly. Option B होची correct answer. 23 number question. When out for a walk with the writer, Timothy tried to steal dash. Timothy tried to steal cat or pet pekinage. Option C होची correct answer. 24 number. Grandfather decided Timothy to transfer to zoo looking at his dash. Looking at his villainous intent. Option C होची correct answer. ପିଲାମାନେ ଆଗକୁ ତମର ଏସଏ1 ଏକ୍ଜାମ ଆସି ଯାଉଛି ଆମର ସବୁଦିନ ସର୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଏଠି ବହୁତ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଅପଲୋଡ଼ ହୋଇଛି ଯଦି ତମେ ଆମ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ନୂଆ ଆସିଛ ଆମ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିପାରିବ ଏବଂ ଆମ ଟେଲିଗ୍ରାମ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲରେ ଜଏନ୍ ହୋଇପାରିବ ସର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିଦେବ 10th ପଏଣ୍ଟ କୁମାର ସାର୍ 10th ପଏଣ୍ଟ କୁମାର ସାର୍ ଆସିଲା ପରେ ସେଇଠି ଟେଲିଗ୍ରାମ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲରେ ଜଏନ୍ ହୋଇପାରିବ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ 25 ନମ୍ବର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଦେଇଛି Timothy was taken to nearest zoo at dash at Lucknow. Option D होची correct answer. 26 number Timothy was taken to Lucknow by dash. केमिति से लखनऊ को जाइथिले लखनऊ एगो ट्रेन रे. Next 27 number question. How far is the Lucknow Zoo from the house of the writer's grandfather? केते दूर थिला लखनऊ जू टा तांको माने राइटर्स ग्रैंडफादर घर ठारू केते दूर थिला से होची 200 माइल्स. ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट आंसर. 28 नंबर द जू अथॉरिटीज रिसीव्ड Timothy डैश ग्लैडली हला बहुत आनंदर सहित. 29 नंबर क्वेश्चन हु स्नार्लड एट द टाइगर किए स्नार्लड एट द टाइगर एटा होची हमर कोन ए लियोपार्ड 30 नंबर तिमोथी डाइड ऑफ डैश तिमोथी डाइड ऑफ निमोनिया पिला माने मन रखते स्पेलिंग निमोनिया हैला बा पिन्नुमोनिया पडियो हैला आगरे पी लगे दो नहले जदी भूली जाउछ पीटा साइलेंट थाए 31 नंबर क्वेश्चन The Jew authorities were only too glad to receive Timothy as a dash Timothy as a gift of a well-fed and fairly civilized tiger. Option A correct answer. 32 number grandfather visited Lucknow again dash after he had put Timothy in the zoo. से होची 6 months. Option D होची correct answer. 33 number question. Grandfather saw the tiger with a dash striped coat with a magnificent striped coat. 34. When the tiger approached the bars, the grandfather dash. The grandfather put his hand around his head, stroked his forehead, taked his ear. All the above. Option D होची correct answer. 35 number question. Grandfather was dash by nature. Grandfather was adventurous and courageous by nature. Option B होची correct answer. 36 number question. A number of people had gathered to watch the reunion of dash. Was the reunion of the grandfather and the tiger. Option D होची correct answer. 37 number. The grandfather could not meet the superintendent of the zoo during his second visit as the superintendent dash. As the superintendent went home early. Option C होची correct answer. 38 number question. Where did grandfather go arriving at the zoo? से होची Timothy's cage. Option B होची correct answer. 39 number. Timothy was afraid of dash in the zoo. Timothy was afraid of leopard in the zoo. 40 number question. The grandfather gave a scornful look to keeper because he was dash. Because he was disappointed. Option B होची correct answer. 41 number question. How did grandfather walk out of the zoo? Hela briskly. Option A correct answer. 42. But sir, it is not your tiger. Who said this? Hela the old keeper. Option B hochi correct answer. 43 number question. The last part of the story expresses about the familiar relationship between man and animal. Option A hochi correct answer. 44. What is the meaning of word recline in the story? Recline এর অর্থ হচ্ছে rest. Option C হচ্ছে correct answer. 45 number question. What do you mean by the underlined word in the sentence? He grew steadily less friendly. या अर्थ कौन? या अर्थ होची gradually. Option B होची correct answer. धीरे धीरे कौन होतला बहुत कम माने less friendly हो जाउतला. तापरे next 46 आ 47 number question. 46. What does the phrase feathers lying all over the veranda mean in the story? यार अर्थ होची Timothy killed the hens. Option B correct answer. Next 47 number question. What do we mean by phrase fairly civilized tiger? Fairly civilized tiger अर्थ civilized compared to others माने अन्य मान ठारू बहुत सुस्थ देखा जाउतला. Thank you for watching.